Hello, it's a wintry November morning and we have started our journey to Panidihing. We have heard that the Panidihing Birds Sanctuary has been facing some problems. Let us go and observe what are the problems here. Panidihing Birds Sanctuary is 22 kilometers away from the district headquarters Sivasagar. According to records, there are 267 types of birds in the sanctuary. Among these, there are some migratory birds and others are locally available birds.
দ্বিতীয় কথা হ'ল পানীটো মানে ইয়াত ব্লক যেতিয়ালৈ নহ'ব তেতিয়ালৈকে চৰাই চিৰিকটি প্ৰায় বন্ধ হয় বুলি ধৰি ল'ব লাগিব।
এটা সময় ইয়াত বহুত হাঁহ চাহ আহিছিলে বাহিৰৰ পৰা,
বহুত হাঁহ চাহ আছিলে, কিন্তু যেতিয়া ইয়াত হাঁহ চাহ আছিলে ইয়াত সম্পূৰ্ণ মানে বিলৰ মহল্লাসকলে মানে ইয়াত পানীটো মানে ব্লক কৰি ৰখাইছিলে।
During the winter season, migratory birds do not come like the former years because there remains little water in the water bodies of Panidihing. In the middle of the sanctuary, it is observed that some people are trying to catch fish from the rivulet. To reach the destination, the bird watchers have to cross a difficult path. Now I am in the middle of Panidihing Birds Sanctuary. Today I have observed two kinds of migratory birds here. These are bar-headed geese and grey-legged geese. The water bodies in Panidihing Bird Sanctuary are growing shallow day by day. It is the main problem of the sanctuary. This is why we have not seen much number of birds this time. Only bar-headed geese and grey-legged geese are there. Those are migratory birds. Apart from those, we have seen some herons, some open-beak stork and adjutant storks, etc. etc. But people here are very much disappointed with the activities of the government because they are not paying much attention. They should dig the bottom of the water bodies so that water remains all throughout the year and those birds will remain here freely as before.